Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm Jason, and today I'm going to take you on a tour around Mr. Hiro's car studio in Osaka. If you've been following this channel, you know I've covered the shop before. This place has changed over the years. They added more cars and offer more things to do around the shop. So let's take a look around and check out what's new. Here on the first floor is where you'll see all the show cars and rental cars. It's also the area where you'll be signing paperwork if you want to experience driving one of these cars. A few years ago, I rented the S15 and drove it around the city. I had a lot of fun, so I just keep coming back. Every time I come here, there's always something new in the showroom. Mr. Hiro's Car Studio gives enthusiasts the opportunity to drive popular JDM cars. Not everyone has the opportunity to experience these cars at home, so having a chance to drive them and take photos with them in Osaka is well worth it. On the second floor is where you'll find the bar and merchandise area that overlooks downstairs. In the morning, the bar is actually a cafe. After 7 p.m. to midnight, they sell alcohol and food. On the menu, you'll find hamburgers, hot dogs, ham and cheese sandwiches, and nuggets. As for their alcohol, they serve various types of local beers, whiskey, wine, and champagne. Also on the second floor, there's a huge simulator room where you can enjoy driving in a virtual reality. There are various high-end simulators that you can choose from. They offer driving instructors at certain racetracks that you want to improve at. They also host simulator tournaments here, so plan accordingly if you'd like to enter. On the top floor, there's a racetrack for drift karts. Anyone over the age of 4 years old can enjoy the drift karts. The staff here are friendly, accommodating, and quick to help you rent out a car that you'd like. Remember how I was talking about how Mr. Hiro gives enthusiasts the opportunity to experience these dream cars? I met a young gentleman and his mother on vacation here in Japan. The mother is renting out an RX-7 to drive around for her son. In these short clips, you can see the staff walking them around and doing a visual check on the car before they set off for adventure. Are you excited? Yeah. Nice. Enjoy, you'll be fine. So which cars you guys renting out today? Just
renting an R32.
okay.
I got the NSX over there.
Sweet.
I got the 82S2000.
All right. And Supra then. All right, cool. It's gonna have a lot of fun.
For anyone who stuck around this far, thank you for watching. I really appreciate you. Make sure to subscribe and be on the lookout for the next Japan video.